This shop house is a great opportunity for anyone looking to start or expand their business or have a shop home of their own. It is a 2-story home with a large building size of 42 by 70 and plenty of parking in the front and off the alley.
Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I am Malia Harrington with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and we are at our new listing on 133 North Melrose.
This property has the perfect zoning, which is hospital medical, so you can run a business and live here. Let's go look around.
There is an island with seating which can double as a breakfast bar or a location to gather while cooking.
And Malia, just look at all of this cabinet space. And you're going to love to cook in this kitchen.
The kitchen, dining, and living area has this great open concept, and just look at how big this living area is. I mean, look at this sofa. The main level has 3 bedrooms and a bathroom with laundry conveniently located in the bathroom. There is luxury vinyl planking throughout the living area, including the bathroom, and all of the bedrooms are carpeted. Obviously, you can see how huge this area is. It can be a bedroom, you could have a TV room. It is amazing. You guys have to see this spa-like bathroom. This is amazing. As you can see the tile, it's a navy blue color. You have a soak-in tub. And if you come in the bathroom, and if you're like me, you want to get your shower warm. So, waterfall! You even have your own separate water closet, and if you come over here, you have your matching vanity to your tile. And now for the closet of my dreams. It has built-in shelving, and conveniently, you have another washer and dryer in your closet.
And attached to that amazing house is an insulated, heated shop, and it features built-in shelving with an additional 1,900 square feet of space. It provides ample room for tools and equipment storage, as well as workshop projects and activities. There are 2 14 by 10 doors, and the third door is 10 by 10. These doors provide great access for loading and unloading inventory and are ready for any business to come in and get started. And of course, if you want to use this for yourself, that works too.
If you would like to see this amazing home, be sure to call or text us. And remember, we want you to love where you live.
See you soon. Nice. That's a wrap.